Alam mo,
Diba?
sitting daw is the new smoking.
Oh my God.
Ang dami, no? Ang daming mga sedentary lives. Lalo na ngayon, lahat nasa harap ng computer. But people who are tied to their desk jobs, tapos sasabihin mo talaga, exercise, move, ganon. Hindi naman lahat na, like ako, I have time to work out. Pero if you like a 9 to 5er, tapos nakaharap ka lang, desk job ka, nasa opisina ka.
Well,
ganun.
actually, I started gaining weight when I started having a desk job. Lakad ka ng lakad, takbo ka ng takbo. And then when I started having a desk job, ayan na, lumapad na ang lola.
You don't have to go to the gym on a regular basis to actually improve your body composition. Just any type of movement. So, yung commonalities na nakita nila is that people are active. They're not sedentary like most people are.
Not necessarily exercising.
Just movement. Wag iutos lahat sa yaya.
Dito sa Pilipinas, alam mo, it's a culture na saan ka pupunta. I mean, you can take walks, long walks, take your dog and go around. But for the most part, hirap ang Pilipino to go out and take
Kulang
a
tayo
walk
ng
and take a
parks.
hike.
You have to go out of town to do that.
Or I guess if you're, kung office worker ka, maybe you can go up and down the stairs siguro during your lunch break. You have to really work it into your routine.